have drier weather. It's supposed to be the middle of our summer. Awesome trip. Would have been even awesomer to do it with company, and it would have been even awesomer to do it in good weather, like in summer, sort of like now. It's supposed to be well along in our summer now, but it's been absolute garbage weather. The Para Scenic Highway, and we're not far from Honganui at all. It's going to be good to see everybody again. Hello. Good. 1,740 kilometres so far. Yeah. Oh, tell you what, I left Hot Water Beach this morning, went up to Coromandel, and I've come down from Coromandel today. Oh, I tell you what, the weather's been absolutely shocking. Yeah.
Yeah, I've been wondering how you've been getting on for the past next week.
Yeah. So I'm looking forward to getting home and getting changed. And where are you guys off to? Yeah? Yeah, I think they're the same at home actually. But I've eaten too much takeout while I've been away. So I'll have to go and take them out shopping. Yeah. I tell you what, it's been like this all up the country. Going up through the Manawatu is gale force winds trying to blow the bike over. You know, it's shocking going through Manawatu. And then I got to Tolaga Bay out on the wharf as you saw. Then I went to East Cape and it was good. It was good. But then at lunchtime a southerly came through and I was pinned down in my tarp tent for 17 hours. Yeah. I know, but then it would pack up again. Yeah. All right. We're going. Yeah. All right. We'll see you later. Okay. Oh, that was funny bumping into them there. That's my older brother and his wife Debbie. Yeah, that was funny bumping into my brother. So this is my hometown, Wanganui, and I'm just about to finish off this awesome epic ride over to the east coast, up around East Cape, right up to the top of the Coromandel Peninsula and back again. It is 1743 kilometers so far. A little bit high cloud over there, probably off and on raining as well, like it has been. It's going to be funny too, I haven't had a shave for a week and my family haven't seen me go without shaving for more than a couple of days. It's going to be funny to get their reaction to a stubbly old face. So thank you very much for coming along everybody on this epic journey, and again, if you're not subscribed, please click here, and in the what see that in Wanganui all the time, every day somebody will go through a red light in Wanganui every day. Shocking place for driving in Wanganui. So here we are, 1,777 kilometers, and I'm home. Thank you for joining me, everyone.
No shaving.
No. Hello, baby. Hello. Hello, baby. Hello. Well, hi, everybody. Thank you for joining me on this epic bike ride that we've done around the east coast of New Zealand. We've gone from Wanganui to Napier, and through the Manawatu we had extreme wind gusts up to gale force. From Napier to Wairau, where we caught up with some old family friends. Wairau to Gisborne, stayed the night there. Went from Gisborne to Tolaga Bay, Tokomaru Bay, then on to Ruatoria, East Cape, where the weather closed in. The next day we went from East Cape around the top, Hicks Bay, Whakatane, Tauranga, dropped the bike up around there before I got there. Then we went on to Hot Water Beach, had a day off in Hot Water Beach. Then we went on to Coromandel and then headed home, made my way down the centre of the island, stopped off at Hooker Falls, then made my way home from there. A total of 1,777 kilometres. Now it's time to get cleaned up, get back into my normal life. So hit the like and subscribe button to support this channel, and stay tuned for many more adventures like this one.